Welcome to the Spy Collection. I'm Anastasios, and here we will look at a memorabilia item from Civil Air Transport, or CAT. The Civil Air Transport was a nationalist Chinese airline with its headquarters located in Taipei of Taiwan, and was later owned by the United States Central Intelligence Agency, the CIA. It was also used extensively for clandestine operations in East and Southeast Asia until 1968. In 1950, CAT had significant financial challenges, and this is when the CIA seized this opportunity, and using a series of front companies, CIA acquired the Civil Air Transport airline. Specifically, the CIA opened a private Delaware corporation called Airedale Corporation, which in turn opened a subsidiary which purchased the nominal shares of the Civil Air Transport. This has been documented in many official and unofficial sources, including CIA's official website and numerous declassified documents. If you want to read more about this, two interesting books are the 2003 Drugs, Oil and War, the United States in Afghanistan, Colombia and Indochina, as well as the 1989 book The CIA and the American Democracy, which is also detailing the history behind the Civil Air Transport acquisition. Although CAT remained in operation as a normal airline, it was secretly used by the CIA in a variety of operations, including providing ammunition, weapons and other supplies into China to assist the CNP forces, that is the Chinese Nationalist Party. It was also used for transferring agents from Korea, Burma and other locations, supporting and transferring French troops during the First Indochina War and many others. In 1959, it was reorganized as Air America and continued with similar operations in the Vietnam War, Laos and the Second Indochina War. Now, what you see here, it's a memorabilia item that CAT was producing in Taiwan in 1966 as a special Civil Air Transport gift. It's a calendar that comes in this nice box. You can see also over here that it was made in Taiwan, where the headquarters of CAT was. The box has the trademark red color of CAT, and if we see on the inside, it says that it was manufactured by George and Sydney Brass Works in Taiwan. Now if we put this to the side, here you can see the calendar itself. The calendar itself was designed as a table calendar with the CAT logo on the left side, you can see it here, and on the right side you can see the dragon. This dragon is the same as the one in the company logo and the one that was painted in all of the fleet. How it works is with this simple rotating disc you see on the top. You can use the latch that you see here to select a month over a year, and that creates a matrix where you can see the dates, if it's a leap year or not, and generally work like a normal calendar. Although it's relatively small, as you can see better here, it was designed as a table calendar, and for this reason it's relatively heavy. It has a weight of roughly 108 grams, and it's made completely out of brass, and it has this blue felt padding to avoid scratching any surfaces on the rear side. From time to time you can find those calendars for sale, and a lot of people don't even know of the secret history of this airline. This makes it a nice piece of the lesser known intelligence history, and it also shows once again that in the espionage world, even a commercial airline might be hiding nation-state secrets. So remember, nothing is as it seems.